Hello everybody, it's Captain Ramos, and today I'm going to show you how to turn this super ultra long wig into a Marinette / Ladybug style wig. The method that I'm using for this wig involves little to no cutting almost, and just involves a lot of hairspray. So the first thing you want to do is to, of course, put it on a wig head and some sort of stand, like a music stand or a tripod, to make it easier for you to comb out and brush out all the tangles on your wig. And you're just going to want to untangle it all just to make the styling process easier later. So now what we're going to do is make ourselves look like a bean. We're just going to flatten our hair out, or try to flatten our hair out under the wig cap. I like to use the braid method, where I just braid my hair into two pieces and then hairpin them down flat, if that makes sense. And we're just gonna put on our wig because we're gonna section off our pigtails and our sideburns and all that. For this section, you're gonna need a full-on mirror to see what you're doing. I already styled off the wig into 4 sections. I have 2 sections of sideburns I'll cut, and the back I already sectioned it off into 2 other main pigtails. Now we are just going to detangle these sections again because it got worse. Now the look that I'm going for is more of a cartoony type look. So what I have with me are 2 styrofoam balls, and they are painted the same shade as the wig. When you get the styrofoam, make sure it's the really like smooth one and not like the really like crunchy, rough type one. For here, we're just gonna open up a pigtail. So it's like an opening in the inside, and stick the ball in between all the hair. Now make sure you move the hair around the ball so that it smooths out and that you don't really see the ball, just so it has a lot more security. Make sure it's all even on the other side. And now we are just going to hold the ball from the bottom, and we are gonna tie another hairband beneath the ball. So we're just gonna keep that there, and you see it's kind of maintaining its shape. And then we're gonna spray a crap load of hairspray. You're gonna use a lot in this wig, just saying. And then just leave it dry. Continue working on the other side. Once your ball of hair is dry, I'm going to move this hair tie a little bit down, maybe a ½ inch. Now you're probably wondering, well, what are we going to do with the rest of the hair? We are not going to cut it. Like, this is the most common way to style a Marinette's hair, is by, you know, adding foam core, teasing or whatever, and then hairspraying the crap out of it, and then cutting off $30 of your wig. Maybe I want to do a long-haired character, but if my wig is already cut, I'm gonna have to buy a new wig. So here we are saving money, technically. You wouldn't have to buy another wig if you want to do a long hair character and regret cutting it. We're gonna separate the leftover hair at the bottom like we did before, and then we are just gonna flip it over. I'm gonna do it piece by piece just to make it easier. We're gonna pin this up with that hairpin, and we are going to pin it to the dried up hairball. So that's gonna be up there, and we're just gonna pin it up all the way around. So all the hair will just be pinned up. This is the part where a lot of trial and error can go. The part just takes a really long time because you want to make sure it's all even on all sides, and just make sure that you can't really see the space in between here. So I have all the hair up. What we are going to do, hairspray this entire mess together, and pray to God that it stays. So I also have the extra hair pinned up here, so it wouldn't get in the way. Now we are just gonna do the same thing on the other side. Now that this is done drying, we can take out the hairpins, and as you can see, it is holding up pretty well on its own. This extra hair over here already makes that little loop thing that Marinette has, which is perfect. Now that these have dried up, time to put the ribbon around the base. It's about 26 inches, and we are just gonna wrap it the ugliest end and just put it back here. So we're going to tie a knot, and then we are going to tie the rest of the ribbon around it and make sure that it's straight so that it looks like our hair ties. We're just going to do it the same thing to the other side, and make sure this part that you're hiding is going to be behind or underneath the wig. So maybe for this part you can just hot glue it. Now what we're going to do is unpin the rest of the hair here. I'm going to brush it out a little bit, but the rest of this we're just going to do like a little curve thing that Marinette has. First we're going to have some hairspray, again a whole bunch of hairspray at the ends, and then we are just going to twist it so that it stays. I'm going to put a little bit more on the edge. Oh, now that's all intertwined, and then you can just hairspray that there if you want to, but I'm just gonna leave it there. Now the pigtails here are basically done, and so now all we have to worry about are the sideburns and the bangs. This wig has actually been in storage for a year since I last filmed this video, but all of the hairspray we put in the end helps keep the shape of the wig even after it sits in the storage for a long time. And that's all for today, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys later.